everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kendra V, and today I'm going to be laminating my eyebrows for the first time on camera with you guys. So hopefully everything goes well. I hope my eyebrows stay on my face and not on the floor. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're not new and you're coming back, thank you for checking out this video. You're highly appreciated. So yeah, let's get started. A little bit about this kit. I did purchase this kit from Amazon for $25. It does says lash lift eyelash perming kit, but I'm going to be using it for my brows today. So let's see what comes in the box. So the kit came with lift pads. It also had lash lift tools. Also came with cleaning tools and one set of instructions. Also inside the kit, they gave us a perm, fixation, nutrition, cleanser, and it also had some lash glue. So I'm just showing you guys my brows right here. Yeah, they're quite unruly. They're nice and full, and they do what they want to do. They have a mind of their own. That's why I am laminating my brows today, because I just want them to chill out. And just to let you guys know, this little part right here where there's no hair growing, that was due to an accident when I was younger, and hair never grew back right there. So I don't want you guys to think that once I'm done with this whole process, the laminating process took my hair out. No, it did not. Keep calm. This has always been right here, just to let you guys know. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take some lash glue, and I'm going to be brushing that up through my brows. And then I'm going to take this little brush tool here, and then I'm going to comb up my lashes, my brows. I'm going to comb them up really straight so that when everything's over, they'll lay that way. Take my little mirror. I'm just taking the glue and I'm brushing it through my brow. And they say this glue dries really quick, so you have to work fast. Make sure you comb them up and out. And if this tool is not working fast enough for you, like it's not for me, you could take your little spoolie and go on and brush it through. So the next step, we're going to take the white jar, which says Perm on it, and then we're just going to apply it all over the brow. And I am using a cotton swab to do this, so I'm just going to dip it inside, and then I'm just going to wipe it over my brows. Then once you apply the Perm solution, you're just going to take some cling wrap, and you're going to put that over your brows. Now I'm going to set my timer on my phone for 10 minutes, and we're just going to wait for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes, so I'm just going to take this wrap off. Boop! Then I'm going to take another cotton swab, and I'm just going to go through my brows, and I'm going to take off the excess perming solution. Next, I'm going to take the blue solution, which is the fixation, and I'm just going to do the same thing I did. I'm just going to take some and put it over my brows, just like I did with the perming solution. Then I'm going to cover up the fixation with saran wrap again for 10 minutes, and we're going to let that sit and marinate. Okay, now that I let the fixation sit on my brows for 10 minutes, I'm just going to take this off. They look quite fixated. I had a little redness right here, but anything makes me red, so I'm not too alarmed about that, and it doesn't burn or anything. I pretty much don't feel anything. It didn't irritate my skin. We good. Take some cleanser, and I'm just going to apply that over my brows just to get some of the fixation, the perm and the glue out of my brows before I apply the nutrition. And again, I'm taking my cotton swab and I'm just going to brush that cleanser through. Next, I'm going to take the brush tool and then I'm just going to brush out the excess residue. And the last and final step after you clean all of the fixation and everything out of your brows is going to be the nutrition, and that's the one with the little yellow oil inside. So I'm just going to take a cotton swab like I have been doing, and I'm just going to run that through, well, run that over my brows, and the process is going to be done. And I want to make sure I get enough of this on there because I don't want my brows to be dry later on. Okay, so this is the finished product of my brows. Of course, they're a little red because I get red easily. I get irritated really easily. So it's a little red right now. But this is how they look. I'm actually happy with how they tamed my brows. Like, they are really, really straight. They're straight. I'm just going to give it some time and let the redness go down before I do anything to them. Of course, I'm going to trim them down and then I'll come back and show you guys how everything turned out. So I'm back. The video looks a little different because the first half of the video I shot during the day, and once I shot the first half I went to the store and then it got dark, so now I'm recording at night and this lighting, so that's why there's a little bit of a difference in lighting. But anyway, that's not here nor there. I'm just going to show you guys how my brows turned out. I'm actually really excited about how they turned out because the result was exactly what I wanted. Here are my brows. They are so slicked down. And like, even when I run my hand across them, they just like stay in place. And there's no film on them or anything. Only thing I did was I did fill them in with the brow pencil just a little bit, just to give them a little bit depth. But yeah, they're popping. I like them a lot. This is the exact look I was going for. Let me know down in the comments if you guys like it or not. And if you don't like it, I really don't care because I like it. So like I said, I purchased this kit from off Amazon for $25, and the brand is Icon Sign Lash Lift Eyelash Perming Kit. When you purchase it off Amazon, it's not going to say brow laminating. It is a lash perming kit, but I just used it for my eyebrows and it worked really good. I'm not thinking about nothing. My brows are not all wow as they were in the beginning of the video. Yeah, I'm happy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as I always say, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Come on now. And you also can follow me on Instagram. My personal Instagram page is Iheartkendrav, and my business page is @KendraVNails. I don't have anything else to say. I'm hungry. Bye.